This is our Frenchie Walter. And if your pet is like him, they deserve a toy that's as fun-loving and spirited as they are. Say goodbye to those dull moments of inactivity. The Wobble Wag Giggle Ball's unique design encourages physical activity, keeping your four-legged friend in tip-top shape. It's the perfect way to make exercise feel like play. The flexible material is gentle on your dog's teeth and gums while providing an enjoyable texture for them to chew on. Whether they're in the mood to nibble, gnaw, or simply carry it around, this ball won't disappoint. Whether you've got a tiny terrier or a hefty hound, the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball is designed to cater to dogs of all sizes. It's a must-have for multi-dog households too. Watch them playfully chase after it together. Keep your dog entertained while you're busy with other tasks. The wobbling action and giggling sounds will captivate their attention, making it a fantastic solution for when you need a moment to yourself.